Come. Is that rice scary? Mommy, come on.
Mommy.
Come on. Mommy.
Here. Actually, this is what you do. I won't listen to it like that. Here.
Oh, it's a scary rice pot.
Here, look. See? It's not scary. There's treats in here. Here. That's treats. You want to take a look? See? That's so scary. See? I won't double touch, don't worry. See? It smells good, see? Not that bad.
Shake the rice pot now.
But she's not. I'm sorry. She's
She's afraid of rice. A Japanese dog that's afraid of rice.
See, now she's getting conditioned. Yeah.
Good safe distance from that scary rice pot.